Hello everyone, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can go ahead and simply cancel your my YouTube TV subscription. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and without any further delay we will simply go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, what you have to do is, first of all, you have to access your youtube.com on your browser, as I have done over there. This will simply open this kind of interface for you. So in this section you will find, or you will get logged in, and then you will find your profile icon with your avatar on it. What you can do is, so once you're done signed in, you will tap on this your avatar section from the main. Then you will find the settings option given. Afterwards you will get this option called membership. After you have tapped on it, you will find this cancel membership for the TV that you have applied for. You can find all the information once you have tapped on it. So once you have canceled it, YouTube TV would like to know the reason for you. So you gotta select a reason which will be available. Once select the reason, then you will tap on this continue canceling. The bottom of the pop-up window will have this option. Then you will tap on this cancel. Then again, confirmation, tap on cancel membership. Your subscription is officially terminated after this. So that is the way, guys. I hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in our next video.